Hey guys, so it's time to translate another Norwegian Disney song. After my last video, my friend Benedicta requested Brother Bear, so today I shall translate Welcome from Brother Bear. I chose that song because it's different. You will see. It's a good one for this purpose. For any of you who don't know what song that is, that's the song where Kenai and Coda get to the salmon place. Oh my god, what's that called again? Like the river? Where all the bears gather. Okay, let's do this. First line of the English one, everyone's invited, this is how we live. First line of the Norwegian one, alle velkomne, følg din egen sti. Which means everyone is welcome, follow your own path. If you remember with Tangled, like the first 3 sentences were pretty much the same. With this, it's already different. We're all here for each other, happy to give. In the Norwegian one, this is vi her for hverandre, her kan vi gi. Which means we're here for each other, here we can give. All we have we share, and all of us we care. So come on. Deler alt vi har, søk hit til gamle far, du er. I've listened to this 5 times to make sure I got it down right. I don't know what this means. This is not any kind of like expression in Norwegian that I've heard of, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't mean anything else than what it's like the literal meaning of the sentence. So it's sharing everything we have. Søk hit til gamle far basically just means like search for your old father, or search here, or come here, the old father. So I don't know what this means. It's not like, oh, this is an expression in Norwegian and this is what we say when we mean this. No, this doesn't mean anything. I guess they're just trying to say something like, oh, this is where like the old and wise people are, come here and be with us, like this is a good place to be, we'll protect you and guide you, or I don't know. And then it ends with du er, which when they say so come on in English, they say du er in Norwegian, which means you are, which doesn't make sense either. So come on, you are! I don't know, I can't explain this. Welcome to our family time, welcome to our brotherly time. In Norwegian that is velkommen til paradiset, velkommen til mat å spise. And that means welcome to the paradise, welcome to food to eat. Which I love that Norwegians have their priorities straight and we just talk about food instead of like, oh, brotherhood. Food! We're happy giving and taking. To the friends we're making, there's nothing we won't do. Again, here the Norwegian one is kind of more fun. Her kan vi tøyse og tulle med en venn vi liker, vi frider oss sammen. Here we can mess around with a friend we like. We rejoice together. Welcome to our family time, welcome to our happy to be time. Velkommen til paradiset, velkommen til livet og priset. Welcome to paradise, welcome to the life we price. This is our festival, you know, and best of all, we're here to share it all. Kom til vår sommerfest, vær ny og gammel gjest, her har vi det som best. So welcome to our summer fest or party, every new and old guest. Here we have it the best. There's a bond between us nobody can explain. Hva som binder sammen har ingen helt forklart. So what like binds us together or brings us together no one can explain. It's a celebration of life and seeing friends again. At vi elsker soltidens liv, det er jo åpenbart. I don't know how to translate this in a good way, so I'm just gonna translate it literally. That we love the life of the sun time. It's obvious. I'd be there for you, I know you'd be there for me too, so come on. Jeg er her for deg, jeg vet du er her for meg, du er. I'm here for you, I know you're here for me, you are, again. So now we have like the refrain or whatever verse stuff again, so I'm just gonna skip that because it's the welcome to our family time, welcome to our brotherly time, and there's no point translating that again because it's the exact same. Remembering loved ones departed, someone dear to your heart. Vi tenker på de vi har mistet, minner fyller ditt sinn. We think of the ones we've lost, memories fill your mind. Finding love, planning a future, telling stories and laughing with friends. Precious moments you'll never forget. Nok en gang bygges en fremtid mens vi tøyser og tuller iblant. Fyll med dager som aldri blir glemt. Once again, a future is built while we mess around occasionally. Fill with days that never will be forgotten. This has to be the most beautiful, the most peaceful place I've ever been to. Det står for meg som det vakreste og det beste sted som jeg har opplevd. This is to me the most beautiful and the best place I have experienced, so not bad. It's nothing like I've ever seen before. When I think how far I've come, I can't believe it, and yet I see it. Nei, ingenting kan måle seg med det. Det som her har skjedd er nesten helt utrolig, men jeg står rolig. No, nothing can compare with this. What has happened here is almost unbelievable, but I stand calm. The word utrolig, I am translating it to unbelievable here. It could mean like amazing, but it's just, it wouldn't make sense to say almost amazing, so that's why I'm choosing unbelievable, because yeah, but in Norwegian, unbelievable would be a good thing. In them I see family, I see the way we used to be, so come on. Jeg ser en familie, jeg føler det gjensidige. Du er. I see a family, I feel the mutuality, you are. And then we get the welcome to our family part again, so I'm not gonna read that out again because there's no point, it's the exact same. So yeah, what did you guys think about that? Did you like the Norwegian or the English version better? Because this time it was really different. Do you mind? Alright, so please let me know which one you liked better, which of the meanings of the songs you liked better. But anyway, if you enjoyed that, please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys like these videos. I mean, I'm gonna do them no matter what, but it would be nice if you like them. That would kind of be a plus. So if you have a song you want me to do next or a movie you would like me to feature here, let me know in the comments down below and I will do it. It has to be a Disney movie. Alright, so I will see you next Wednesday. Keep up the good vibes.